Check this out. So these are cicadas emerging from their nymph exoskeleton, and they're going to sit on the side of the tree and circulate their blood around their bodies such that their wings will become functional and more rigid, and they'll be able to fly. You can see one that is almost ready right here, but soon the rest of the body will turn black. The wings will be a darker orange color, the eyes of course bright red, and soon they'll be ready to mate. But right now, as you can see, we got a lot of cicadas in transition all the way up the side of this tree.